Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Blush Velvet. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. The lipstick comes in a carton, which is a rose gold kind of a carton. I'll add the picture of the carton somewhere on the screen so you can see that. And then when you open the carton, then the actual product looks like this. So it is a plastic packaging, and the Lakme 9 to 5 and all of those things are written here, as you can see, and the shade name is mentioned here. The shade I have is called Blush Velvet. So when you open the packaging, it comes with a doe foot applicator like this, as you can see. So now I'm going to first show you the swatch of the lipstick, and then we'll talk about the other details. Also, the video is shot in the natural daylight, so the shades you are seeing is in the natural daylight. So this is how the swatch of the shade Blush Velvet looks like. Also, the shade is said to be a dupe for the MAC Meher lipstick. I haven't tried the MAC Meher lipstick, so I can't comment on that. But yeah, this is how the shade looks like. It is like dusty rose mauve kind of a shade. So now I'm going to swatch it on my lips. Alright, so this is how the shade Blush Velvet looks on my lips. It is a little bit wet right now, so this is how it is looking. Once it dries down in like 5 or 6 minutes, then the color changes a little bit. It turns out to be a little darker. So I will give it a few minutes to dry down so that you can see how the color looks on me after drying down. But till then, let's talk about the other details. The formula of this lipstick is very moussey, as the name suggests, and it glides on very easily on the lips. Coming to the staying power of the lipstick, it doesn't stay very long. Like if you eat or drink something, then it will vanish in like 4 to 5 hours. Like usually on me, if I eat or drink something, then it stays for 4 to 5 hours, after which it starts fading from the center of my lips. So that's about the staying power. But the lipstick is very comfortable to wear. It doesn't dry out your lips. I could notice on the camera my lips were very dry when I was applying the lipstick, but after applying the lipstick my lips don't feel drying at all, even though this is a liquid lipstick. So that's about the texture and the staying power of the lipstick. Also, this does have some kind of a vanilla cupcake fragrance, which is not overpowering, just a very mild fragrance. Company claims that you can use these lipsticks on your lips and cheeks as well. That is, you can use it as a lipstick and as a blush as well. So I'm going to show you how you can use it as a blush. So I am going to take a little bit of product on the back of my hand, and then I'll apply it as a blush. I do not like to directly apply it on my face. You can use it directly on your face if you like to. The formula of these lipsticks is very blendable even if you use it as a blush, and also it doesn't go patchy like some of the products which are meant for lip and cheek do get patchy, but this one doesn't. I don't know if it's applicable on the other shades as well, but for this particular shade Blush Velvet, it applies very easily on the cheeks as well and doesn't go patchy at all. I do like to apply my blush on my nose, bridge of the nose as well, so I am doing that. So this is how the lipstick looks in the form of a blush, and since this one has a little bit of pink in it, so it looks good as a blush as well. The lipstick has dried down, and this is how the shade Blush Velvet looks on me. Also, since it is a liquid lipstick, so once it dries down, it doesn't transfer. So I'm gonna do a kiss test on my hand to see if it transfers or not. You can see it doesn't transfer at all. So that's about the swatches of the lipstick, and now let's talk about the price and the quantity. So the lipstick retails for rupees 675 Indian rupees, and you get 9 grams of the product. But you can find these Lakme lipsticks at good discounts on Nykaa, so you can grab it at that time. Also, I'm going to leave the link to buy the lipsticks in the description bar below, so you can check that out. So that's about the price and the quantity. Now talking about the pros and the cons. I do not find any con as such in the lipstick. Till now I do like the lipstick, I do like the color, I do like the texture of it. Also it is very comfortable, so I can wear it in the winter and I can wear a mask over it and it doesn't transfer. That is something which I liked. Also, even if it fades away after like 4 or 5 hours, that's not an issue for me, at least, because I feel like it's very easy to apply. You can just keep it in your purse and you can apply it whenever you need it. It's not like those liquid lipsticks that just fade away, and if you try to apply it, then you have to remove the whole liquid lipstick to apply it. That doesn't apply with this particular Lakme lipstick, I mean this particular range of Lakme lipsticks, because these have a very moussey formula. So even if they fade away, you can easily reapply them. And that's the thing about it. And I really do like the color, I do like the pigmentation. It has a very good pigmentation, as you saw, just one swipe pigmentation and you get such a nice color. Also, you do not need to dip the product again and again, and you just need to take it once and it's enough to apply on your lips, also on your cheeks. I do really recommend you to try these liquid lipsticks out. These are really good budget friendly lipsticks. Even if you are a college kid and you need some good affordable liquid lipstick that you can use as a lip and cheek product without burning a hole in your pocket, then definitely check these out. And also I'm going to leave the link to buy the lipstick in the description box, so you can check that out. If you have any queries, then you can leave it in the comment section below and I would love to answer all of them. So yeah, that's all for now and I'll see you all next time. Bye.